And sometimes in mediation, like most often, but you have to negotiate for this, is you'll have what's called a geographic restriction lifting provision. So what that would mean is because this bubble only restricts you, not the other party. So like you have to stay in Travis County, for example, but your co-parent can live wherever. Now it may affect some of their possession, but they're not restricted to Travis County. But the lifting provision changes that, where if whenever you want to move out of the bubble, out of your Travis County bubble, and say you want to move into Williamson County, just next door, you can do that if at the time you want to move, the other party moved outside of the geographic restriction. So they live outside of the bubble, they pop the bubble on their way out, and then you can move oftentimes kind of anywhere you want. Now, that's a technicality. And this is a thing people miss all the time about the way law works, and particularly family law. It doesn't work on technicalities for the most part, unless you're talking about a motion for enforcement where like jail time's involved. But the rest of it, pretty much, the technicality is not going to get you there. So like, don't think that if they move outside of the geo, that you can all of a sudden move to Alaska. Like, maybe you could, but probably they're going to try to stop you, and a court's going to be like, whoa, not so fast, mister or sis, you're going to have to stay put.